Today, we decided we're gonna paint the RV. Took some deliberation and some planning because we were like, dude, this is a lot of work to paint this entire thing. We've never painted an RV, but we decided we gotta do it. We've done so much work on it already that it would be a shame not to just finish strong and get this thing looking so cool. So first things first, obviously we had to get all of the graphics off of this thing, which has been a pain. We found out these little razor scrapers work the best. Tried the heat gun, tried TSP, paint thinner, but just scraping it off with the razors actually. Paint thinner? Yeah. It actually works out pretty good. So while we've been doing that, Jaden's been cutting the trim for the floor inside, which I know you guys haven't seen really anything other than us just working on this thing. So if you guys stay tuned, subscribe to these vlogs. We're gonna do a full tour of this thing when it's done. But for now, this vlog, we're gonna paint it. I mean, I'm hoping it'll go quick, but you know, these things I've learned never go quick.
Why do we put ourselves in these situations?
Because we have dreams.
If you're worried about me, no, I'll make it back home to you. Don't forget me when I'm gone, 'cause right now I've just got to be free.
We're on the sand phase here. Almost got all the logos off. We got one whole side of this thing. Look at that. Oh, ready for paint. No logos, sanded, ready to roll. We're standing in the back. The logos, like scraping off the logos, is an absolute nightmare.
And if you wait, I could take you far away. There's no escape from this place, from this place, from this place. I don't know where I've been, I don't know where I'm going. I don't know where I've been, I don't know where I'm going. Been holding on to the past, but this life keeps on moving. It keeps on moving. It keeps on moving. I can turn back now and leave us all behind.
Finishing up day 2 here. Oh man. Getting the primer on. And then we paint. I don't think we're gonna finish the paint today though. What do you think?
We're just doing it.
Oh no. All right, so we went with the rust color because it looks cool. It's bold, it feels bold. You know, obviously most RVs are white, they're gray, they're black, but you never see an RV that looks like this. And the inside, which you guys haven't seen yet, it also is really bold. So everything we've done is completely our own. I mean, it feels like our own aesthetic, our own minds have really just like let it go and done whatever we felt like.
We're gonna leave in a giant orange.
We really cut a corner here, and we ended up painting over the old logo instead of like ripping that logo off for the graphic. I know that's like a huge no-no, but you know what? It works for us. This thing isn't perfect, but no one's perfect.
I'm still kind of scared of the paint because I don't know how well it's gonna resist all the elements. We did get like an exterior one, but still, it's a car. So if it gets destroyed, it is what it is. Ta-da! I think it looks pretty good. It's retro.
The painting is done. I'm super stoked on how it turned out. Obviously, it was a learning lesson for all of us. We've never painted an RV, and there were some moments where we made some mistakes, but overall, it turned out really good. And I'm super happy with the color. I mean, the whole learning process makes me super stoked, and I'm super happy with how everything has turned out so far. And I haven't divulged everything that we've done yet in these like 2 videos. You're gonna have to like and subscribe because we've done a ton more on the inside, and the next video after this is gonna be the full tour. I'm gonna show you guys everything we've done on the inside, the outside, break it all down, why we did it. For now though, I'm gonna go surfing because the weather feels good, it's sunny, there's some waves out there, and we have a friend in town, so I figured why not go catch some waves, have a good time, get in the water, because the future of this rig.
Alarm goes off at 4:45. Roll out of bed, rub the sleep from my eyes. Throw on a shirt and some jeans and my boots. And
Let's go surf. It's been kind of heavy crowds and small waves. I mean, it's still small waves, but a good break from work, and it's still sunny. It's getting a little nibbly here in Santa Cruz though. You know, this fall weather's coming quick, so hopefully we can get some turns. A little windy, a little choppy, a little bouncy. Not the most aesthetically pleasing wave, but I think it's gonna get the job done. You only need one.
work, sleep, that's all I ever do is work. Somewhere up the line, I forgot what I was working for. Yeah, there goes life, looks like it ain't slowing down for me. All I ever do is work, sleep, repeat. Seems like yesterday I was 17, running bootlegs and draws and screens. Now I'm running up debt and I'm scrambling to make it.